Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import wallet in Sparrow Wallet. Importing a wallet in Sparrow Wallet means restoring access to Bitcoin using a seed phrase, 12 to 24 words, a private key, a wallet file, a descriptor, or a hardware wallet. Your Bitcoin is always on the blockchain. Importing just reconnects Sparrow to your existing funds. In order to import using seed phrase, what you can do is open to your Sparrow Wallet here. You can go to this import wallet here. It will open to this interface here. You can either do with the mnemonic word, BSM, Blue Wallet, Cold Card, Multisig, Electrum, or the Gordian seed tool here. What you can do is you can select to this any of the import file, or you can simply select to this scan here. As I'm going to select to this use 24 words. Over here what you can do is simply type down your 12 to 24 words exactly in order. Select the correct script type if needed. Sparrow will scan and load to your balance and select to the discover wallet here. And that is it. This is how you can import your wallet in Sparrow Wallet. And never share your seed phrase. Always check correct network, mainnet versus testnet. Choose correct script type while importing. Set a strong password. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.